Welcome to Gusto. See how you can work faster and reduce errors with automated payroll, HR, and more. Let's start with payroll. Select Let's do Ito, start running it. Here, you can review each of your employees' payroll details and adjust as needed for bonuses, cash tips, and more. You'll also be able to approve time off as part of the payroll flow and can easily distinguish between sick leave and PTO hours. Before you finalize pay, you can review tax info, employee earnings, and company costs. Select Tax Breakdown to see more. With Gusto, every time you run payroll, we automatically calculate and file your taxes with the right government agencies. Other providers charge for this with us. It's included. Run payroll as many times as you need to each month. We don't charge extra. And you can even set it on autopilot. Create an account if you are ready to set up your company with Gusto, or continue the tour to learn about benefits with Gusto. Supporting your employees is more important than ever, which is why we offer comprehensive benefits too. From no-cost, low-cost, and premium benefits, Gusto offers medical, dental, vision, and more. Our licensed advisors are here to help you build the right benefits package for your team. Already offer benefits? Select a benefit that you offer and create a custom benefit. Enter any deductions and the company contribution, and we'll move your plan over so it's all auto-deducted from payroll. On top of that, you can take advantage of financial benefits like 401 CAC and Gusto Wallet. For example, if you are interested in 401k, you can choose Guideline or one of our other partner offers. Create an account if you are ready to set up your company with Gusto, or continue the tour to learn about hiring and onboarding. Hiring and onboarding is essential to the Gusto platform. In today's competitive job market, our hiring and onboarding tools are designed to give employees a thoughtful and professional experience. Gusto helps you manage the whole process, starting with creating job posts. Select Plus Post a new job. You can customize the post to meet your needs and even add a hiring team. Once you successfully post and hire a candidate, you can create and send a custom offer letter. We also help you set employees up for success with customizable onboarding checklists. We'll include must-haves, but feel free to tout your own tasks and delegate them as well. And with just a few clicks, you can assign software and manage your team's devices from anywhere. It's easy to create and manage accounts, so you can update access from one platform as your teams change. Create an account if you are ready to set up your company with Gusto, or continue the tour to learn about our team management tools. Team performance is another key area for growing businesses. Give your employees a clear path for growth with performance reviews and developmental tools built right into Gusto. Create different paths for different employee types and individualize their employee journeys. Plus, we'll surface actionable data and insights so you can build the kind of work culture that helps you motivate and retain your talented team. Collect anonymous feedback to ensure your team has regular opportunities to share about their experiences at your company. Gusto's fully integrated learning management system allows you to track course completion in real time, foster a culture of growth, and enhance employee engagement. Access and assign state-specific compliance training for anti-harassment and HIPAA, diversity and inclusion, security, and more. Track course progress and send friendly completion reminders, keeping your team in the loop and up to date. Together, we can ensure that you and your business thrive. Get your team working with Gusto